Hey everyone, today I'm diving into how mastering English can skyrocket your job prospects as an immigrant in the US. Picture this, you're new to the country, eager to find a job that matches your skills and ambitions. But there's one major hurdle, language. Did you know that almost 90% of jobs in the US require English proficiency? That's huge. Now let's talk about why English is so crucial. First, it boosts your confidence. When you can communicate effectively, you're more likely to excel in job interviews and workplace interactions. Employers are always on the lookout for candidates who can express themselves clearly. Second, it's all about networking. Building a professional network is easier when you speak the same language as your peers and potential employers. Think about it. Attending industry events, joining professional groups, and even casual office chit-chat become opportunities to advance your career. Third, let's not forget about promotions. If you want to climb the corporate ladder, English is your best friend. Many management roles demand strong communication skills, and being fluent in English can set you apart from the competition. And here's a fun fact. Studies show that bilingual employees can earn up to 20% more than their monolingual counterparts. So investing time in learning English can literally pay off. Wrapping up, remember this. English fluency isn't just about fitting in, it's about standing out. It's your ticket to better job opportunities, higher earnings, and a more fulfilling career in the US. So, grab that dictionary, enroll in a class, or start practicing with friends. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow, and hit the notification bell. I'm Chandra Kid of Smart Kid Concepts. See you next time.